vid. I'm gonna show you in this video how to fix like that shaggy suede to get all that shagginess. Okay, so let's begin. In this vid, we're gonna learn how to fix the synthetic shaggy suede on a pair of Air Jordan 14s. The tools you're gonna need for this job is a eyebrow trimmer. You can get this from like a beauty supply store for around $1. You'll need a straight razor. You can use it by itself, or you can do it how I did it. I attached mine to a popsicle stick on an angle so it can have like some flexibility, and I'm able to get into tight corners and stuff with it. You'll also need an iron as well. It doesn't have to be big. I've also used a curling iron as well at times, like if I didn't have my iron, and the curling iron can get into little tight areas that the iron can't sometimes. You'll also need a microfiber cloth, and then you'll need some sort of water, or I use soap and water in a little spray bottle that I have to wet the cloth before you use it with the iron. So the first thing I do is use the straight razor on the popsicle stick to remove as much hair or excess hair from the toe box and the sides as possible. Just be careful here not to dig too deep down into the material. There's netting underneath the synthetic suede, and you'll be able to see it if you get too deep, but just be careful and just don't even go that far. Just get as much off, you know, as possible, just so you can get to the iron and steaming part, and then you'll be good. Just a little bit off the top is just fine. Next, you just wet your microfiber cloth, and then you get your iron. Then you're gonna use the iron to press the synthetic suede down. You're gonna stay on the material for about 8 to 10 seconds. As soon as you see steam, then you know that's fine. And just repeat the process until you get the desired results. Take my iron. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When I see the steam go, like I know I'm really good. You see that? You see it's like it's still kind of smoking. But that's how you get synthetic suede down. This camera is not too great, but trust me, like in real life, when you see it and do it, you're gonna know what I'm saying. So you gotta try this out so you can see the results, like the real results in real life. Here's an alternative version of me restoring the suede and nubuck on the 14s by using some suede and nubuck renewal powder on the toe box as well. A little bit to go in there. Another session will be good. You don't want to overdo it, but you don't want to hit the synthetic suede with heat directly, or with the iron directly. Because if you hit it with the iron directly, it's gonna create like that glare on the suede itself, and you're not gonna like the way that looks. Like, trust me. So I'm gonna hit it with another session, and I'll come back with the results later. If you do it, tell me how it went. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Okay, so for the alternative version, all I did at the end was add some black suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer to the toe box just to make everything look really fresh. All you got to do is apply your sealer, apply your powder, mat it down, and then apply your sealer again, and then you're good to go. I got more on this in my profile about suede and nubuck renewal. Just go check out my other videos if you want like a full tutorial. Okay, so for cleanup, all I went and did was get a microfiber cloth, and I wrapped it around the edge of my hand brush so I could have something hard under the cloth to press up against the midsole and clean it with. And I'm also able to use like the corner of the brush, like the hard part, to get into like the crevices of the midsole. It works wonders. You should try it out, and I'm here to final results. All that shagginess is gone. I'd like to sincerely thank you for watching, and please go check out all my ebooks and PDFs. My ebook, How I Made $1,125 in a Month Online, that I dedicated to my sister who's in the hospital battling a severe brain injury. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for these special offers.
Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a Month Online selling old shoes today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again. And please, when you get a chance, I got more Reglue videos in my profile, so take a look around and please go check them out. Thanks again.